How to verify Facebook page. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you also have a Facebook page and you would like to verify your Facebook page but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. After you find the Facebook application on your mobile device, you have to tap on that, and this way Facebook will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to make sure that you have also opened your Facebook page on your very Facebook there. After that, you can go to the three lines on the top. After you go to the three lines on the top, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the help and support. After you go to the help and support, you can see an interface like this. Now you can tap on help center. After you tap on help center, now it will lead you to the page like this. Now after it will take you to a lead like this, you can go to the very option of either you can take the very option of knowing how to verify, or otherwise you can also go to the option of the creator support. After you go to the option of the creator support, you can see the very option like this. Now in order to get verified, you have to go to the first option, that is Meta Verified, and tap on that. Now after you tap on the Meta Verified, now you can see the options of getting started and troubleshooting. Now if you'd like to get the subscriptions of getting verified, you have to go to the first option, that is getting started. Now after that, you can see the very option like this. You can also learn about Meta Verified on the Facebook, where you can learn about it. Here it has also been shown the various kind of eligibility requirements and how to subscribe your profile to the Meta Verified and how to support the payment methods and all of these, and your account support as well. You can read all of those, and you can also subscribe to the very subscription of the Meta Verification here. And after you subscribe to the Meta Verification, your very page will be verified on the Facebook. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.